This is my favorite weight loss okra soup under 20 minutes. And guys, I'm finally gonna share this recipe with you. And trust me, you will never ever eat okra soup same way again. So let's get cooking. So what I'm going to do right here, I am going to use 1 pack of okra. So I divided that into 2 parts. I blend half and I cut half into small pieces. And this is what I am using right now. So next I added a little bit of water and then I'm going to give it a little stir and then leave it to cook uncovered. And remember, we're going to cook that halfway. So next I have here my veggies. I'm gonna blend everything together. Remember, we're gonna make this okra soup under 20 minutes. So cut everything and throw everything in your blender and blend it together. So I have here ginger, red bell pepper, tomato, garlic, and onion. Yeah, so throw everything in there and then blend it until it's smooth. And today we're gonna use olive fish for this recipe, but you can use any meat of your choice. But I'm using fish because that's what I really like. So you can tell that okra is been boiling and it's been cooking about 7 minutes now. So it's halfway cooked. So that is perfect. So remove that from the stove and let's start making our soup. Alright friends, so in this pot I'm gonna add all my fish. I'm trying to make this okra soup very simple and yet taste so delicious, guys, that trust me, you will never regret it. So after you added all your fish, you can add your mushroom. I got this mushroom from an Asian market and I really love. And I'm adding here some paprika, my mixed herb seasoning, salt, and my blend ginger, garlic, onion. You know, everything is going to be going in there straightforward. Add a little bit of water in here and then cover that and have it cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, and I love cloves. I'm adding just a little bit of cloves in here. So because it's fish, I'm using non-stick pan to make this soup, and trust me, it's a big difference compared to using other cooking utensils or pots. So yeah, so I let it cook for about 7 minutes and I'm gonna let it cook for extra 2 minutes and then I'm gonna add my okra. Remember, this soup's gonna be very simple and yet it's gonna taste absolutely delicious. So in the ideal world, this is not how you make your okra soup, but in my weight loss world, this is how I make my healthy okra soup. And since you guys asked what I eat in a day to lose weight, I decided to share this with you so you guys will get the idea on what kind of food I eat to lose weight. And ever since I've been trying all this simple, healthy, delicious recipe, I've lost almost 100 pounds and I am so happy that it worked out, and I'm really sharing this with you so you guys can try it at home as well. Alright, so okra soup is almost done. So I'm gonna add a few onions because I like that big bite crunchy. Yeah, so add your onion in there. If you want to add pepper, feel free and add that. And give it a very light stir because it's done. You know what I mean? And today we are going to enjoy this with banku. You can eat with your typical well portioned banku or kenke. But as for me, I'm going to enjoy that with something called quinoa banku, and this is how I eat to lose weight. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe.